Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to see if the repository which we are using it is not a Git repository. The source part has changed and now I want to use Helm repository. Okay. So in this case, we will be mapping the Helm repository and doing the things here. So I just open the health chart. Okay. And just search for the charts and search for Nginx chart. Okay. I'll just search Nginx chart, take the official. This is the repository URL, install. This is the repository URL I will be using it. Okay, so let's see how we can map it. Okay, let's go. So this is a new app. I'll just mention my chart. Okay, project I will take default, sync policy automatic, prone this thing, sync option. We will be selecting it, auto create the namespace. If namespace is not there, it will be creating it out. Repos source section, instead of Git, you are selecting Helm now. Okay, and this URL you will be providing it. Once this is the public URL. Once it loads, sorry, again I need to select Helm, not this one. Remove this, drop down, select Helm, paste the URL. Okay, it's just loading it out. Wait for few minutes. Okay, it's loaded. Now here you can see that Helm Nginx is there, and you can use any value which you want to install it. Destination, same thing, URL, like URL wise, name wise, and that's it. And here you can see that it is loading something. So it will be loading your values.yaml file, which is there by default with the Helm. Okay, here you can see all the values are there, which you can see it under the values.yaml file. Okay, now I'll go and create it. So under the source section, I have used the Bitnami portal. Okay, the chart automatically populated it. The important part is this is Helm. Now source URL has become Helm. Okay, I'll just go and create it and let's see. So in the last example, we have used Git as a URL. Now this section we are using Helm as a URL. Okay, you can see it. Now it is provisioning the things. See my chart, this thing is there. This, all these things automatically coming it up and provisioning the things. Okay. So this is the way we can do the mapping of Helm repository as a source URL in the application CRD. Okay. Now, if you want I want the Helm chart must be from the Helm repository, and values.yaml file I want to keep under the GitHub. So we will be seeing that example in the next session. Let it finish the provisioning and then we will be doing the next session. So as you can see, the provisioning is completed, and this is the way you can use the Helm as a repo URL in the source section. Thanks for joining this session. Let's connect to the next session.